Welcome to our guide on how to decorate your bedding comforter set like a pro. Let's transform this ordinary bed into a luxurious haven of comfort and style. First, gather your essentials: a comforter, bed skirt, pillow shams, fitted sheet, flat sheet, duvet cover, and pillowcases. These form the foundation of your bedding ensemble. Start by neatly tucking in the fitted sheet, ensuring it fits snugly around the mattress for a smooth surface to build upon. Next, layer on the flat sheet, making sure it's evenly spread and tucked at the foot of the bed. Now, the star of the show, the comforter. Lay it evenly over the bed, ensuring it drapes over the edges for a luxurious look. Time to add some personality. Arrange your accent pillows and throw blankets strategically to create visual interest and texture. Don't forget the pillow shams. These decorative covers add an extra layer of elegance to your pillows. For an added touch of luxury, incorporate Euro shams with coordinating patterns or colors. Details matter. Look for bedding with embroidery, ruffles, or pin tucks to add dimension and sophistication. Ensure your duvet cover is secured with button closures, keeping your comforter in place and maintaining a polished appearance. Lastly, tie it all together with coordinating colors and patterns. Whether it's through matching sets or complementary hues, cohesion is key. And there you have it, a perfectly styled bedding comforter set that's both inviting and stylish. Sweet dreams. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. To learn more, visit rofhome.com.